Good evening, all of you. It's Avanti here from Avanti's Tutorials. Today is the first day of the year 2024. So, I wish a very happy new year to all of you. May this year bring health, wealth, prosperity, and happiness in everyone's life. May your all sorrows be taken away in this year. I wish all of you once again a very happy new year. And today, as it's the first day of the new year, I thought of that till the date I started, I have not uh, discussed or not published any video for class 10. So today I'm here with the topic class 10, that is trigonometry. Usually class 10 children, they find it a little difficult. So what's the history of trigonometry? Let's understand. No doubt trigonometry, it's a branch of mathematics, especially geometry, which deals with the triangles. But the back history, if we see, it has come from several countries, and usually it is said that it was used in previous BCs to calculate the sundials. Sundials, sundials. But now we study this as a part of calculus, and children study this related to right angled triangles only. So what is a right angled triangle? Let's recall. Triangle itself, it's tri means 3. So a geometrical figure which consists of 3 sides and 3 angles as its 6 elements is known as a triangle. And an angle which consists of at least one angle measuring 90 degree is known as a right angled triangle. Now what we have to do this, in this lesson, children are supposed to know or make themselves comfortable about the ratios between the sides and the angles given. If they learn it and then keep on solving and practicing the sums, that helps them a lot. So let's consider a triangle ABC, right angled at B, and let angle A and angle C be the adjacent angles. So usually the two sides of a triangle which makes or which forms an angle of 90 degrees, we call one of them as base and one of them as height. And the slanting line which joins these two lines, that is base and height, it's known as a hypotenuse. So let's consider, suppose this is base, this is height, and this is hypotenuse. Now what we have to do is we have to consider any one acute angle and write down the ratio related to that particular acute angle. Suppose I mention this angle C with acute angle theta and angle A with acute angle phi. So even though the ratios have some definitions or a particular format, if angle changes, how the sides they'll change, that today I'll try to make you understand. So first I'll write with base angle, suppose C. So trigonometric ratios. So before I start with, I request all of you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I thank all of you till the date, the way you all are responding me, the way you all are supporting me. It really means a lot. Keep on commenting, keep on complimenting, keep suggesting me your suggestions for improvement. So trigonometric ratios, we have 6 ratios with us. So for children, I suggest is they try to learn all the 6 ratios. On the contrary, I would suggest to is that you learn first 3 and next 3 would be its reciprocal. That also you can keep it in mind. Suppose first is sine ratio. This SINE sign we mention as SIN sign, and sine of angle C, that is its angle theta. So instead of writing angle C directly, I'll write sine theta. So that is always defined as, or it means that opposite side upon hypotenuse. Next is cosine. So we write it as cos. That is always adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So for sine theta, that is for this one, which is the opposite side. Opposite side means the side which comes exactly in front of that angle, not this adjacent side. I repeat, opposite side means the side which comes exactly in front of the angle. So in front of this theta, which side comes? That is AB. And what's your hypotenuse? AC. Here, what's your adjacent side for angle theta? BC. What's your hypotenuse? AC. Then is tangent. That is tan theta. That comes, instead of writing capital T, better to go with small. It's opposite upon adjacent. So what is opposite side here? AB. What's your adjacent side? BC. Or else you can say, you can define tan theta in terms of sine and cos also, as it's this one. So this is sine theta upon cos theta. Means tan theta itself. How? I can prove that. What is your sine theta here? AB upon AC. What's your cos theta? BC upon AC. So this becomes AB upon AC. This division gets converted into multiplication and reciprocal of the another one. That is AB upon BC. This is what is. So these are first three ratios: sine, cos and tan. Sine theta means opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side, and that's why tan can be defined in terms of sine and cos. So tan theta at times can be sine theta upon cos theta also. And how it is correct or how it is proved, I have proved also. Coming back to other three, opposite of sine is which ratio? Opposite to cos is which, and opposite to tan is which, or reciprocal of. So reciprocal of sine, reciprocal of cos and reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of tan is cot, reciprocal of cos is sec, and reciprocal of sine is cosec. And as I'm using the word reciprocal, yes, this changes. How? I'll make it here itself, so that it becomes easy for you to understand. So suppose opposite of this sine is cosec theta. So that becomes hypotenuse upon opposite side. So what's your hypotenuse? AC upon AB. Can you make out here? See. Reciprocal. This is AB upon AC and this is AC upon AB. Similarly, reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. That is hypotenuse upon adjacent. So what's your hypotenuse? AC. What's your adjacent side? BC. Adjacent side of which? Of whom? Adjacent side of that particular angle mentioned. Again I repeat, adjacent side means exactly the side which is coinciding with it, and opposite means in front of it. Then comes cot theta. Cot theta is opposite of or reciprocal of tan theta. That becomes adjacent upon opposite, and what it is? That is BC upon AB. Similarly, the way we have said, or I made you understand, tan theta can be sin theta upon cos theta. Similarly, cot theta also can be in terms of cosec and sec. It can be in terms of tan also. So cot theta can be 1 upon tan theta. Cot theta can be 1 upon sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta can be cosec theta upon sec theta. So all what I am saying is, I'll write again the reciprocals. Before that, I'll recall whatever I have made you to understand about these trigonometric ratios. I tried to make you understand what is trigonometry. Shortly, I tried within a sentence or two what's the history of trigonometry and why we have to study it. So once we are saying trigonometry, means we are dealing with the right angled triangles and the ratios formed by the angles in terms of sides. That's why we learn trigonometric ratios. Before I recall, I request all of you keep on liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot theta. Sine theta is defined as opposite upon hypotenuse. Now what is opposite? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Of course, as we are dealing with angles, that is sides. Because a triangle has 6 elements, angles and sides. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Tan can be defined in terms of sine and cos also. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine theta. That's why hypotenuse upon opposite. Sec is reciprocal of cos theta. That's why hypotenuse upon adjacent. Cot is reciprocal of tan. That's why adjacent upon opposite. Now, this were directly the definitions. Now, the relations between the ratios. That also I will write here. I have mentioned my link in the description box. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Now, relation between trigonometric ratios. Relations between trigonometric ratios. So, what is cosec theta? This is 1 upon sine theta. What is your sec theta? This is 1 upon cos theta. What is your cot theta? 1 upon tan theta. So these are in terms of reciprocals. Now one thing, as I said, that when angle changes, even though the definition is same, the ratio of the side changes. How? Using the same triangle, I'll show it. So let's redraw the triangle. Triangle ABC. This I considered as theta. This I considered as phi. Now see, for the same sine angle, for the same sine ratio, if I change the angle, how the ratio between the side it changes. Suppose I want to take first is sine theta. Sine theta means this one. That is opposite upon adjacent. This is your base, this is your height and this is your hypotenuse. So what is our sine theta? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So what's your opposite side? AB. And what's your hypotenuse? AC. Now similarly, if I go for sine phi, no doubt I would like to write sine ratio only, but not for angle theta, for angle phi. How it changes? Look here. Now this is sine phi. So what is opposite side of this angle phi? It's BC. It's side BC and hypotenuse AC. Can you make out the difference between this? Both ways, in both cases, we tried to write the which ratio? Sine ratio, but we changed the angles. As we changed the angles, the sides have also changed. And that makes a sense. That's why a child must be very much particular and clear about the definitions. So what do the sine theta mean? It means opposite side upon adjacent side, and always keep in mind the moment angle is changed, the ratio of the sides will change. Hope I tried to make it very clear about the initial part of trigonometry. That was what is trigonometry and the trigonometric ratios. Next part I will be posting in the next video. Before stopping, yes, I would like to request all of you, the way you all are supporting me, keep on liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Keep on complimenting and commenting too. Your all suggestions are welcomed. Please let me know which kind of videos still you need from me, for which classes you expect from me, and these three. It's again for the new viewers. Just I would like to introduce it's Avanti with Avanti's tutorial, one tutorial for all three subjects, that is English, mathematics, and science. And once again, I wish all of you a very happy new year. May this year bring everything, whatever we wish, all of you, me also, and for you also. Thank you. Good night.